So Jamie, this is the Innovation Centre.
Yep.
And how long has this been here for now?
We're approaching 4 years now. We've got the Innovation Centre here.
Right, okay. And this is the 4th year of the Innovation Forum, right?
Yeah, absolutely. This is the 4th year, and we've grown massively with the Innovation Forum over the last 3 years of having it. We started off with our first ever event when we had around 30 customers that came. Started in a room behind the wall.
Just behind this wall, right?
Just behind the wall, yeah. Where we had a number of our partners, our customers, together with the idea of spreading news about what's the latest innovation, latest technology, and also being able to go and have a round of golf and a few drinks and some dinner afterwards.
I love what you've done with the place because you've obviously got different areas and different benches, right? So clearly behind you, you've got the zebra bench, but what else do you have in here?
Yeah, we have a lot. So what the real important thing about the Innovation Centre itself is it has to evolve. The technology it sells, making sure that we've got the latest and greatest from all of our partners, whether that be from Honeywell, from Zebra, from ProGlove, print stations that you see behind. It's about bringing every solution to life. It can't be about putting one device next to each other and talking about speeds and feeds, text and specs. We've got to bring it to life and put it in a real life demonstration so that a customer can sort of get those ideas. Oh, that's great, but what if it did this? That's where we're able to evolve and bring our solutions to life.
But what I love in here is that it's not just a place just to put devices. You actually tell an entire story with what's in here. So for example, we had a little bit of time talking about the packing bench that's just over there. And some of the things and some of the actual real life situations, what you've got set up actually sorts out and removes. It gets rid of those problems, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And it starts right from coming in for the door at the very beginning. So you'll see that we have a number of different locker solutions. So we start at the very beginning of that process, and we try to take you on that journey throughout your operation, whether that be manufacturing, whether it be logistics, whether it be transport, whatever that process may be. We try and take you on that journey to understand, well, these are the problems that we've been able to solve with other customers. Will that be maybe beneficial to you as well? So making sure we sort of grow that and progress is really important.
And it also leaves a real big space open so clients and customers can come in and say, you helped us solve this particular problem, but what we're seeing now is this. And I guess that's where the Skunk Works comes in, so you can start to bring this together and create even more solutions for customers and potential customers that you could well have, right?
Yeah, exactly. And a lot of the time we will do proof of concepts for customers in the Innovation Centre. They may not have the space, they may not have the time to be able to do that. We have that here. So this innovation space becomes as much for our customers as it is for ourselves. It's about bringing those people in. And that's what the Innovation Forum's all about. We've outgrown this space to a certain extent. We've had to clear out our offices downstairs. Feedback from the last Innovation Forum we had was they wanted more people to be in one space. So we've now got seating for 120 downstairs that we've already sold out. We've already sold out from our for the golf day as well.
Wow.
Outside of that, we've also got other activities for the non-golfers. So we're really looking forward to that, to being a morning of innovation, of learning, and an afternoon of enjoyment and fun where we can go and have some dinner and a lemonade or two.
Fantastic. I'm looking forward to the lemonade. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you for taking us around the Innovation Centre.
Thank you.